Hello, friends! I'm Rică! Let's discover together what wise little story I've prepared on the board for today. Are you ready?
The Lazy Chick. A lazy little chick, you say, won't eat a single grain unless his mother brings it fast and feeds him might and main. To fall asleep, he's quite a core. He wants to be rocked just so, and biters with a bruising small who from the river go. Just yesterday he tried to peck a kitten's tiny eyes, then pushed the duckling in the waves despite its fearful cries. But now I see he's sitting still. I wonder what was said by the big black drake at noon today. Has he told you yet instead?
Thank you, my dear friends, for being with me today. And remember, every kind little deed brings a warm light into your heart. See you next time with another playful poem. Bye-bye!